Hello everybody, my name is Amin and I'm back with you with another video about how to use professionally the Matplotlib in Python. Well, so far I have uploaded, I guess, up to 10 videos and I think you have learned quite a lot of things about the Matplotlib and you can create many different styles. So I was thinking it's finally a good time to show you how to export your plots. Well, that's very critical, and of course, many of you have wondered when I'm gonna do that. So I'm making this short video showing you the way you can export your plots, and there are not actually too many options, so it would be a very quick lesson. So I'm starting from what we did last time. I still have that log plot. No, it's not log. It's just a multi-line plot, and with the legends that we did many options. So I just want to export this plot and use it like in a document. So it's very easy actually. You don't need to import any library, anything. Just plt.save fig, and you have to give a name to your plot. Let me say like frequency dot, and also you have to declare what is the format you want. So let's say JPG. Okay, and that's it. You have your photo here. This is it, the frequency and with the format you wanted. So actually I'm zooming here to show you that the quality is not the best, and of course you want to improve that. So when you just use the simple code, you actually are not specifying the resolution or the DP. So I always declare and determine the DPI, okay, dots per inch of my figure. So let's say 300, or I actually use even more, but I guess 300 would be enough. So you see, it's far better and you have a more clearer photo. So it's actually this simple, and also you can try different formats, PNG or TIFF or whatever you like. So it doesn't matter. It's actually very good at this. It gives you all uh, the formats that you need. So this is a all things. So this is frequency JPG, this is PNG, and well, the only difference is their size, which here is actually they are very close. But we can do more. There is another very important options, which is about the uh, blank margin. So you have some blank margin here to the bottom, top, left, and right, that you can minimize it. And I always like to do that because I don't want to have like extra blank margin around my picture. So I always use bbox inch equals to tight. And this is very helpful. It's to some extent decrease the unnecessary black margin around your photo. It's a bit tighter. You see this is the previous one, this is the new one, so you have less unnecessary area around your main plot. Well, this is good. And let's see, I want to try it. So I open a easily Word file. Because I'm doing this because I want to show you something very important that makes a big change actually. So let's say I import my plot into the Word file, and usually you convert this file into a PDF, and whenever you want to submit your paper or to everywhere report, you use the PDF format. And when you do so, well, It's not bad actually, it's satisfying, it's good, but for someone like me, this is not enough. You know why? Because when you zoom, you get this pixels, and I hate that, especially like uh, when you have sub plus, which I'll show you later, and there are different ones, it won't be good enough. So what I do, instead of exporting my plot as a PNG or JPG, actually as an image, I export it as a vector, as SVG, and this makes a huge difference. So why? Because it's not a photo anymore. You see the file. I can read the SVG with the Inkscape, but if you don't have the Inkscape, it's okay. You don't need to open it here, okay? So just in the office, you have it. So here it's not actually, it looks like a graphic photo image, okay, but when you export it, you actually are exporting the image as a data. So you see, you never get those pixels, and this is wonderful, believe me. You see that's how huge is this difference. And this is a very important trick that's there are few people who know about it, and most people just export their photos as their plots as PNG, JPEG, TIFF, and they try to go to uh, large files. But just with exporting it as SVG, you get a huge difference in your work. And like imagine that a reviewer or your boss is reading your report or your paper, and they would enjoying to zoom and see that everything still remains nice. So it's like you're typing, it just looks like text because it's actually data or vector. So this is a very important thing, because whatever you do here, you finally need to export it. So I hope that you enjoy it. Please, if you're watching this video uh, and you think it's useful for yourself or others, send it to others, like it, and if you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Wait for the next videos. Bye bye.